Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will review one of the important university, that is the LPU, Lovely Professional University. Okay, so in this video, I will give you complete detail about the LPU. That what is the about the placement, what is means how can you get into this university, what the course offered. Okay, what about the faculties member, about the campus life, and at last I will also discuss about the pros and cons. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new here to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel for such important videos. Okay, so let us continue to our video without wasting our time. So as you can see here, I came to the official website of the LPU, that is the Lovely Professional University. Okay, so first of all, let us talk something about this university. So what about this? So actually this Lovely Professional or LPU is situated in Chowri, Jalandhar, Punjab GT Road. Okay, so actually this institute is located in the Punjab. Okay, and this institute was established in 2005 under the UGC Act. Okay, so talking about the campus, mean what about the campus structure? So this institute of 600-acre campus. Yeah, you are hearing right, 600-acre campus. So you assume that how much big college is this. Okay, so let us explore something more about this institute. Okay, so what about the means why should you choose LPU? Okay, because our viewer may ask why means I should choose LPU. So I will give you variety of reason for which you will be more favorable to choose LPU. Okay, so means first talking about this, I have already mentioned about the means campus. Since LPU have a wide green lash campus having 600 acre, you can assume that what a sprawling campus is there. Okay, also LPU have means a great placement. You can have a air look also that it one of the recent great placement is about rupees 3 crore. That is very good for any important college. Okay, also one of the student 49 lakhs. So this college, this institute is providing a good placement too. Okay, also have a NIRF ranking. Okay, so this college is means this institute is continuously improving its NIRF ranking too. Okay, recently it's got NIRF ranking 47. All government and private university means in all government private university sector, this university got the means topmost rank. So that is very fine. You can also here see also ranked LPU School of Architecture and Design in 12th. So a variety of means courses available in this. Okay, so these are the reason you could believe. Okay, and also have a good campus life means 600-acre campus. So you can assume how much big campus is. Okay, I will in the later video I will also talk about the means facilities available. Okay, so these are all about the institute. Okay, now let us move to the what are the course that they offer. Okay, because again you should know the course. Okay, for which courses you can apply in this university. Okay, so a variety of courses available in this. You can assume here that engineering means engineering under you can take UG courses such as BTech, and also you can do MTech, PG courses, other things too. Have agriculture courses, food technology, nutrition dietetics, biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, production, industrial design. Also have a provide management course, commerce course, law course, hotel management. So if you are interested in hotel management other thing, then this college will be a good choice for you. Okay, also I have a fashion design, sociology, political science. Okay, you can look all the courses that they have. Also variety of courses this university actually provided. Okay, now we have moved to the means what are the course offered. Okay, so let us have a look about the means something about the campus life. So what about the campus life of this? So yeah, this university have a good campus life. I am again means repeatedly saying that yeah, this college means good campus life. Okay, so many of them means you can say the many of our students are foreigner. Okay, so you will have a good interaction with them, so you can understand the what are the means clear and good environment in this. Okay, also this institute have a means own uh, cultural fest, take fest. So variety of take fest means or cultural fest happening. Okay, and various alumni meet, other things have also happen in this university. So this is one of the important university and all over the India. Okay, so if you are means planning to have or means searching for a good, then you can choose this. Okay, also let us took some of the campus events at the LPU. Okay, so I am giving you the campus means event at LPU. So variety of events available. Okay, you can here also see the details means in a number. So 150 plus programs in 55 plus discipline, 15 plus tie-up program. Okay, student in a single campus. You can give have a look here. Okay, have a yoga day means this is the current visual of yoga day and other things. So variety of things happen here. Okay, you can also look here the sports facilities or other tattoo art festivals. So it means almost in 1 year you will get a good campusing life. Okay, so you will feel that yeah, this is the institute that I am searching for. Okay, have a various alumni meet also too. I have already discussed many of the important member also came here. Okay, Guru Randhawa, you can say here that means you will have a live interaction with various stars too. Okay, Virat Kohli, that's other things also came. Okay, so you will get means simply inspiration. The purpose of these all things to get inspiration. Okay, now moving to the next section, that is infrastructure. So what about the infrastructure? So LPU have one of the wonderful and excellent infrastructure. Okay, in all the term. Okay, either you can take UG courses, PG courses, or also this have a good scope in the research program too. Okay, so it have a school of international studies, planned cricket stadium, also have a cricket stadium. So if you are favorable to the sports, then you can certainly choose this institute too. Okay, have a student center, university garden. So मैंने पहले ही बताया है कि this institute have 600 acre campus. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि कितना ही क्या क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होगा. ओके, LPU in the evening, school of education, militant school business, MSc lab. Okay, so lab is already available. Okay, chemistry laboratory, natural lighting laboratories. Okay, media laboratory. So a variety of vision available in this. Okay, one of the important thing that I have got the museum. So this also a museum. You can have a view here. So you look the visual of a museum. So how wonderful it is. Okay, you can also have a look at the poly house technology that they have recently developed by one of the students. So again wonderful. Okay, so greenhouse. So you look the how about the infrastructure. So well equipped infrastructure, have auditorium, amphitheater, good student residence, uni hospitals, in-house laundry. So talking more infrastructure, so this university have a gym, playground, yoga center, bowling, LA, rolling, skating, cricket I have already discussed. Okay, have a taekwondo, short ball. So अगर मैं इस वीडियो में एक एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बताऊं, देन होल वीडियो विल बहुत बड़ा आ जाए. ओके, सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एज आई हैव अ बैंकिंग फैसिलिटी, वेस्टर्न यूनियन मनी ट्रांसफर, beside you have a mall, so you can have a look. This one important university that also have a mall, so no need to go anywhere and waste time there. Okay, you will get all things A to Z in the lovely professional institute. Okay, so these are all about the infrastructure. Okay, also you can see hostel, dining hall, new exhibition center. Okay, refurbished entryway. So variety of infrastructure available. So no any doubt regarding the infrastructure. Okay, now moving to the next section, that is very important about the fee structure, because everyone student want to know about the what is the fee structure for different. So fee structure vary according to different courses, either management course, commerce course, engineering course. Okay, you can have a here look very clearly that BBA for BBA course, this is the fee structure. Okay, you can also take the screenshot of this. Okay, for a BCom course second year up to 1500 for 2013 to 2. Okay, have arts courses. So variety of you can say computer application information technology को have a fee structure you can also look. Okay, so for different semester also you have to pay different fee depending on the courses, so you can means check that. Okay, too, I will also provide the link in the description for the fee structure. Okay, so no need to worry. Now moving to the next section, that is the very important about the faculties member. Okay, so what about the faculties? So this college have again a tremendous and marvelous faculties member collection. Okay, most of the faculties member are PhD degree holder having 15+ year experience. Okay, so this institute is growing fast with the help of these faculties member. Okay, if you face any doubt, then you can directly contact with them, no any problem. And some of the faculties member also from the IITs, PhD means they are also doing research from international university too, such as Harvard and this. So we will get a variety of faculties member. Okay, so there is a good faculties member, no any doubt. Moving to the next section, that is campus life and hostel. So I have already given you the view of the campus life. Okay, so these are the means actually a view of the campus life you can see here. Okay, so campus life is no any doubt marvelous, क्योंकि वही one of the top university पहले बताया. Okay, and 600 acre campus. So campus life का तो means करना ही have a sports facility under too. So you will enjoy a good campus life. That means you will never bored in this university. Okay, you will means assume that yeah, I have came to the right university. Okay, and have a means regular meet with the various of the important personage of the India, such as Narendra Modi and other things. Means always they came in the. Okay, either means any of the important personnel came at the LPU. Okay, now moving to the last section, that what is the pros and cons of this university. Okay, because you have to know the pros and cons. Okay, because every means a coin have a two face, one positive and negative. So beside of this having positiveness, that I have already discussed, good infrastructure, good placement record. Okay, and good alumni meet and other things too. Okay, so what about the cons? So one of the important cons that yeah, for the especially for other students such as those belonging to the eastern or southernmost center, then they have to face for the means communication. Okay, here communication means overall is fine, but you have to means leave your home. Okay, and some courses have not been so much good because just started. Okay, means some of the course that they recently offering. Okay, so that is not much good. Okay, so that is means otherwise overall this university have a fine and A+ category. Okay, no need to. So no, I can't means give you means further cons of this university. Okay, so guys, this is all about the LPU, Lovely Professional Institute University. Okay, so I hope guys your all doubt is clear regarding this LPU. Okay, and beside that I also want to say that if you want to have any detail about this, then you can check the description box. Okay, where I will provided you the Google form link. Okay, where you can consult direct with the means any doubt you face, then you can contact directly. Okay, I will provide the link on the description. Okay, so you can check there. Okay, so these are all the detail about the LPU. I hope guys your all doubt is clear. Okay, if you still have any doubt, you can also comment. Okay, and I've also provided a Google form, so no any problem with that. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for further important video. Okay, so till then, bye bye, मिलते हैं next video में. जय हिंद.